Koe.
What's in here?
It's a car.
What? Whose car is that?
The Concorde.
That's the Concorde?
That's the
Oh
Concorde.
my god, really? Can I climb on top of it?
Yes, go ahead.
I can't.
Let's see it.
It's not going
Hey, Sasha. Sasha, this is something to watch.
It's
Look
not
this.
going anywhere. Wait, wow, look at this. I found it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I found the car. Wow, look. Ha. Ha. Oh my god, we're never getting out of here. Ever. This is gonna take a month. Oh my god. Wow. Can I get on top? Oh my. Bella, can you give me a push? Stop. Can you give me a push? I want to get on top of the car. Bella, give me a push. I want to be on top over there.
Maybe the car is gonna cave in then, Tanya. The
What?
windshield and everything.
No.
Yeah.
Is this the front or the back?
The back.
Wow. Tell Dad I cleaned his car. It's like a slide. Wow. Oh my god. I'm losing energy. Fast. Oh, grab my sunglasses.
It's the Burberry sunglasses, I can tell.
Matches my outfit.
It is. Yeah.
Look, I'm digging Dad's car. Oh, oh my god. This is gonna take all day. Oh. I'm done. That's all I can do. I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. Oh, gosh. Can you help me out?
Get up, Tanya.
Solid, I'm falling through.
Get a shovel.
What? I don't know where they are. Mom, can you hand me a shovel? Where's the
Get to
shovel?
work, Tanya.
Where's the shovel?
In the garage by Mom.
No. Solid, no. No. Ah! My sunglasses. No. I'm coming inside. Ah! Solid, my sunglasses. Oh. Do you want to see how that feels in your sunglasses? You got it in the garage. Ah. We have a problem. I can't.
Clean your hat.
What?
Take off. Clean your hat. Take off and clean. You have to take off.
It's all good. Oh God.
Who's the car?
Guys, we're not getting out.
Can we see the plate?
In a month.
Hey, can we see the plate?
We're not gonna get out in a month. Oh. It's too much. I can't get to the plate. car.